Me dicen el desaparecido, fantasma que nunca está. Me dicen el desagradecido, pero esa no es la verdad. Yo llevo en el cuerpo un motor que nunca deja de rolar. Llevo en alma un camino destinado a nunca llegar. Me dicen el desaparecido. Hello everybody, I'm Vasco from ukulelecheats.com, and today we're making Deseparecido by Manu Chao. It's a very simple song for two ukuleles. Pretty much you just have one simple part and another simple part, and when you get it together it sounds very beautifully, especially if you can sing it. So in this tutorial I'll show you what to do on both ukuleles, and if you have a friend of yours you can make this song together and it will sound really good. First let me show you the chords, after that we'll look the parts and the little pick that we have, and then we'll do the play along. Let's go. Alright, so the first chord we have is the chord of A minor, and then we have the chord of E, which I'm grabbing like this, bending my fingers right here so I can press on the second fret of the A string with my pointing finger. If that way is hard for you, you can grab it like this, barring on the 4th fret and with the pinky on the 7th. Or you can also maybe get away with E7, but I'm not sure about it. Maybe it's best to grab it one of these two ways. And also we have the chord of D minor. Alright, so in the intro we are holding A minor, and then we have the verse, which is E to A minor, to E to A minor. But the tricky part is the strumming. It's not that tricky, it's just you're strumming on the offbeat. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And after that, in the chorus, we're starting with D minor. It's pretty much the same thing, just the first chord is D minor. Yo llevo en cuerpo un motor que nunca deja de rolar. Llevo en alma un camino. Me dicen el desaparecido. So pretty much this is the two parts, the verse and the chorus. And now let me come a little bit closer to show you the pick that you do, this thing. It's super easy, just on one string, so even somebody that is just grabbing the ukulele can do it, okay? So let me come a little bit closer to show it to you. So the pick is super easy if you get the rhythm of it, which is something like t t t t t t t t t t. Alright, so the first two are a little bit longer and the third is shorter, alright? If you hold on the 7th fret, it's something like this. Alright, so this is the rhythm, and then you do, on the first one you do just 3 times on the 7th fret. And then on the second you do 5, 7, 5. Alright, like this. And then you go 3, 3, 5, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, open. Alright? Alright, and you're repeating this in all the parts, in the verse, in the chorus, everywhere. Alright, and that's all you need to know to do the song. Now let's do the play along with me, and you'll learn it really quickly, okay? Let's go. Alright, so that was my ukulele tutorial for Desaparecido. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you really soon. Goodbye.